నెక్స్ట్ మనం మహబూబ్ నగర్ వెళ్దాం. మహబూబ్ నగర్ లో కూడా సేమ్ ఇదే పరిస్థితి నెలకొంది. రంగారెడ్డి జిల్లాలో గడప గడప కాంగ్రెస్ నేతలు వెళ్తున్నారు. కేసీఆర్ చేసిన మోసాలను అయితే వెలుగులోకి తెచ్చి ప్రతి ఇంటికి గడప గడపకు వెళ్లి 6 గ్యారెంటీ స్కీమ్లు కార్డులను అయితే వాళ్ళు పంపిణీ చేస్తున్నారు. అయితే దీంట్లో ఈ పంపిణీ కార్యక్రమంలో మణిపూర్ మాజీ ముఖ్యమంత్రి ఉక్రమ్ ఇబోపి పాల్గొన్నారు. అయితే ఇతను కూడా చెప్తున్నారు దేశంలో బీజేపీ, రాష్ట్రంలో బీఆర్ఎస్ రెండు కూడా రాష్ట్రాన్ని అవినీతి పాలన చేస్తున్నాయని అయితే గట్టిగా చెప్తున్నారు. దీని మీద మరింత అప్డేట్స్ మా ప్రతినిధి ప్రదీప్ అందిస్తారు. ప్రదీప్, చెప్పండి.
తెలంగాణలో అధికారమే లక్ష్యంగా కాంగ్రెస్ పావులు కలుపుతుందని చెప్పొచ్చు. అయితే ఈ నేపథ్యంలో నిన్న జరిగిన ఏదైతే విజయభేరి సభ భారీ సక్సెస్ కావడంతో కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ శ్రేణుల్లో ఉత్సాహం అయితే నెలకొంది. ఈ నేపథ్యంలోనే మనకు నియోజకవర్గానికి ఒక ఇన్ఛార్జిగా ఈరోజు ఇంటింటికి కాంగ్రెస్ కార్యక్రమంలో భాగంగా మణిపూర్ మాజీ ముఖ్యమంత్రి ఉక్రమ్ ఇబోబి గారు మనతో ఉన్నారు. వారిని అడిగి మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. సాబ్ బోలియే, అబ్ కీ బార్ తెలంగాణ మే కాంగ్రెస్ సర్కార్ కు కైసా రహేగా?
No, definitely this time Telangana will be a total change. There will be definitely Congress will defeat one of the most corrupted BRS government headed by KCR for the last nearly 10 years. He had been looted entire money of the poor people of Telangana. The people of Telangana became realized this time Telangana should have to be changed, completely changed. So yesterday, our Madam Sonia Gandhi, Rahul ji and Mallikarjun Kharge ji has been declared 6 guaranteed. You see, then when Congress came to power, Telangana will be definitely completely changed. You see, in Manipur, what is happening is there. This is the policy of this BJP government, particularly Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. They wanted to polarize ST community, SC communities, then minorities and majority polarize. They wanted to destroy democracy of India, the constitution of India. They wanted to destroy. They are trying to catch the majority committee. Then other minority, whether it may be scheduled caste or scheduled tribe or a minority other brothers Muslim, they wanted to destroy the system of democracy in India, and particularly today in Telangana, where I am coming here. I was fortunately became consecutive 15 years Congress Chief Minister of Manipur from 2002 to 2017. There is absolutely no problem at all. We are living together, scheduled tribe brothers, sisters, as a mother and a father, and also the Muslim brothers who are living together peacefully and so lovely each other. But BJP agenda is to destroy these minority people, particularly they wanted to polarize. So they wanted to finish India. So they are just like dictatorship. Dictatorship, whatever they want, they will do. So in Manipur, for the last 4 months, it is still burning, killing each other. Majority community and tribes, they are killing each other. What their agenda is, there is a secret agenda for BJP. Let them kill each other. They are criminal. The majority community, they can kill, and whomsoever they are trying to catch only for machine power, money power and political gain. Only they are thinking. So this is not the principle of Congress party. What our founding father of Mahatma Gandhi ji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, how they frame our constitution. We are all brothers, sisters, fighters, ST, or this Muslim brother, SC, OBC. We should have to be live together. India is one. So this time, we should have to be defeat the BJP and BRS. They are same coil, same face, same coil. So we should have to be defeat. And if we want to change Telangana, we should have to give to the hand symbol of Congress party, this time we should have to be defeat. You know, yesterday, Madam Sonia Gandhi declared
5
huh?
guarantees.
Five? No, six guarantees.
guarantees.
6 guarantees. So after implementation of these 6 guarantee, there will be no difference at all, whether poor or minorities or majority. We will live together. And now earlier, this BRS, what they are doing, the poor people money, they have looted. They have looted. So now Congress party, instead of looting, Narendra Modi is big capitalist. They are looting. We would like to give those downtrodden and poor and scheduled tribe and minorities, let them happily live, and whatever they want, we are ready enough for the, particularly for the farmer, 15 lakhs per annually we are giving 15 lakhs to the farmer. And those who have no house, we are giving 5 lakhs. And other children, students who are wanted to go abroad for studies, that also there will be 5 lakhs each every year. So these are the guarantees. And the gas cylinder, those who belongs to the poor family, we are giving 500 rupees per cylinder. And those women who are belonging for the poor family, every month, instead of BRS looting those money, we are going to give to the poor family women 2,500 per month. And those poor families belongs, those women, our sisters, our mothers, they will travel to the Telangana Transport Corporation bus free of cost. And also every month 200 unit of electricity energy they will give free of cost. So these are the agenda. Let us have tried to win the Congress candidate, particularly here in this constituency, and the MP also, we should have to be win, and then Telangana, there will be total sense. Telangana is a rich state, culturally, traditionally, all the freedom fighters are belonging from this Telangana. And those freedom fighters, we are giving land free of cost. Those freedom fighters who fight for the independence of India. So they didn't think about those freedom fighters also. So I appeal to all our Congress party leaders and different workers and the women, our organization, we should have to be win Congress party this time. So we should have to be bring Telangana a total sense. So I am coming here to appeal and let us work together. There might be a little differences, misunderstanding within our party workers and leaders. Let us forget it. Let us forget it. So we should have to win our party here, both this constituency and also this MP election 2024 also.
तो बीजेपी सरकार बोल रहा है तेलंगाना में कांग्रेस और बीआरएस एक ही बोल रहे हैं, इसके बारे में आप क्या बोल रहे हैं?
No. There is no Eki. There is no Eki. BJP and BRS, they are same face of the same coil. You see when the reason coming out, the BJP, if they say example, I don't think they will not get even a single seat. Even if luckily BJP got 2, 3, 4 or 5 maximum MLA seat, they have no chance for forming the government. They will definitely support to the BRS. So let us see when the election doesn't come. Yeah, internally coalition, that's why, one coil, same face. This face is BRS. This face is BJP. They are playing. These all our brothers of Telangana. They know what BJP is doing, what BRS is doing. We should have to be very, very careful. So, okay, thank you.
ఇది ఇక్కడి పరిస్థితి అయితే తెలంగాణలో 6 గ్యారెంటీల ద్వారా ఈసారి అధికారం చేపట్టబోతున్నామంటూ బీఆర్ఎస్ బీజేపీ వైఫల్యాన్ని ఎండగడుతూ ప్రజల్లోకి వెళ్తున్నామంటారు. ఇది ఇక్కడి పరిస్థితి. విజయ్ జర్నలిస్ట్ రాజేష్తో ప్రదీప్, అమ్మా న్యూస్, షాద్నగర్ నుంచి.